welcome to Oretha's Kitchen. Okay, I hope you enjoyed some of the recipes that I shared with you earlier. But today I have this wonderful recipe I'd like to share with you. My mama taught me how to create this recipe like when I was about 9 or 10 years old, right? It is called a delicious, famous lemon custard pie, okay? And you're gonna really, really enjoy it. And it doesn't take that much time to create this lemon pie. Okay, now this is what you're going to need. Okay, let me show you in a minute. Okay, these are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need a bottle of lemon juice. You're going to need some lemon juice. Okay, 100% lemon juice. Okay. 2 cans of Eagle brand milk. She have 2 cans. Okay. 3 eggs. Okay. And you're going to use only the egg yolk in the pie. And you're going to use the whites of the egg for your frosting. Okay. And then you're also going to use some pure vanilla extract, or lemon extract if you have any. And you definitely going to need a graham ready crust. And this is a 10-inch one. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and let's get started. Oh, and I forgot, you're also going to need some equipment. You're going to need like a mixer, or if you have a hand mixer, you have a hand mixer. And you're going to need one of these like for whipping, to make the frosting with. Okay. Then you need a measuring cup and some bowls to like for your eggs and to separate your whites from your egg yolk. So now let's go ahead and get started since I told you all the things that you're going to need. Okay, now you're going to pour 2 cans of Eagle brand milk, okay, into the bowl. Okay, make sure you get all of it out of the can. Oh, and I'm trying to get all of it out of the can. Okay. That's in 2 cans of Eagle brand milk. Okay. Okay, so your can is empty. Okay. And then remember, I said you need 3 egg yolks. Is like I put the egg yolks, you're going to separate it from the whites. Okay, and you pour it in to your mixture here. Okay, and then when you stir, you're going to stir it real slow until it's mixed very well. Make sure you mix the egg, but do it real slowly. And make sure the egg yolk is mixed very well. So you see no signs. Okay, I see a little bit of yolk there. Yeah. Okay, it looks like it's mixed very well there. Okay, and then next, you have like vanilla flavor and lemon flavor. Right now I'm using vanilla flavor because I don't have any lemon flavor. So you're gonna pour it in there. 1 teaspoon. Okay, stir it in, mix it slowly. This pie is so good. Okay, mix it very well. Okay, now the next step is going to be the lemon juice. Okay, because you have 2 cans of Eagle condensed milk, Then you're going to pour like 1 cup of lemon juice. And you're going to do it very slow. You just stir it very slow. Do not mix it too fast because you know it'll turn out to be real soupy. So you want to do it very slowly and mix it slowly. So, and make sure you have, you know, like 1 cup. You can bottle, or you can use fresh lemon juice from lemons. Sometimes I do it that way. But if I want it quickly, I know I buy the bottle of juice. The bottle. Then you're going to stir it up. See, and real slow, like in slow motions, until it's mixed in very well. Keep stirring until till you don't see any more lemon juice. Just keep stirring. See, it's very slow. So the juice, all the juice has almost been incorporated into the mixture. Keep on stirring until you don't see any more juice. Like I said, you don't want to stir it too quickly because it'll be soupy. So you have to stir slowly. Oh, I'm almost done. Okay, now you can see all the juice is just about gone into the mixture. Yeah, okay. And there you have it. You're done with the custard. Okay. All right. So now you have the pie crust. This is the pie crust. So you're going to pour the mixture into this pie crust. And remember, a 10-inch pie crust. Not 9, but 10. I just can't wait to get a slice of this good old pie. Okay. And there you have it. Okay. And we're going to put this in the refrigerator to get cool while we get ready to make the frosting. And while we're waiting to make the frosting, we're going to turn the oven on and set the oven at 350. Because we have to bake and do the frosting, okay? So now let's put our egg white into the mixture. While we preheat our oven to 350, okay, and then we're going to set our mixer to medium speed. Oh, let me plug it in first. Okay, let's set it to medium speed. And we're going to do this until it gets, white. Let's turn up a little bit more. And that's our 3 egg yolks. I'm not egg yolk, egg white. That's our 3 egg whites. And we're going to let it, spin until it turns, pure white. Trying to get that frosting. let's increase a little bit more. Okay. Now you can turn it off and see if it's stiff enough. And let's see if it's stiff. Okay, if you turn it, the bowl, if you turn the bowl, no, oh, let me get it off. See, and if it doesn't move or doesn't come out, move or come out, and let's put it out. If it doesn't move and it's kind of stiff, then you know it's time for you to add the sugar to it. Now let's add the sugar to it. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay. Now it's ready to add to the pie. Because let's take our pie out of the refrigerator. Okay, now we're going to add our frosting to the pie. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna smooth it with a knife, and we can make it, kind of pretty if we like, and just take it and just smear it all over the pie. Ooh, see? Yeah, you can make it look, make it look pretty. There you go. And make sure you cover the whole entire pie. Yeah, you do a little dip, a little design. Okay, and then you're going to put it in the oven until the frost, gets browned. You want it to brown a little bit. I got a little design here. Okay, and I want to smear a little bit so this. Okay, and a beautiful pie. Not only beautiful, boy, it is delicious, and even better the second, third, and fourth day. Okay, now we are ready. Now you have your beautiful lemon custard pie. So let's put it in the oven for about 10 minutes, maybe, until it gets golden brown. And then you have this beautiful lemon cake. I mean pie. It looks like a cake, but it's pie. Isn't it beautiful? So you need to let it, put it on the side and let it cool off for about 10 minutes. And then you put it in the refrigerator for about an hour or two before you slice it, because it's custard pie. You want it to be nice and cold. And the next day, oh, it's really delicious, right? Now look at this delicious pie. So now I'm gonna cut a piece. Okay, let me cut a piece and let you know how delicious that it is. Okay. And yum, yum. Let me grab me a fork. Let's see how it tastes. Mmm. This is good, delicious. Well, thank you for joining me today. And hope you enjoy your pie as much as I'm going to enjoy mine. So be sure to like, make comments, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Okay, and you have a blessed day. Bye. See y'all.